Who is Joseph Murphy? Have you ever felt like your deepest dreams, whether it's financial freedom, perfect health, or unbreakable relationships, are just out of reach, no matter how hard you try? What if I revealed that the real barrier isn't the world around you, but the untapped power hidden in your own mind? A power that can create miracles when you learn to harness it. Imagine reprogramming your inner world to attract everything you desire effortlessly, turning obstacles into opportunities and doubts into triumphs. Stay with me because in this video, we're uncovering the life and wisdom of Joseph Murphy, the visionary author and minister who unlocked the secrets of the subconscious mind. And by the end, I'll guide you step by step through his proven method, showing you exactly how to apply it to manifest whatever you want in your life.
Your dreams and live the life you deserve.
Joseph Murphy was an extraordinary Irish-American author, minister, and New Thought pioneer, best known for his timeless bestseller, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, which has sold millions of copies worldwide and continues to inspire people seeking personal transformation. Born on May 20th, 1898 in the small town of Ballydahab in County Cork, Ireland, Joseph grew up in a devout Roman Catholic family as the son of a respected private school headmaster. From a young age, he was immersed in education and spirituality, but his path to becoming a global influencer in self-help was anything but straightforward. After losing his mother at 15, he pursued pharmacy in Ireland, earning his degree and working as a pharmacist. In 1922, at the age of 24, he immigrated to the United States, first settling in New York City, where he continued his pharmaceutical career while exploring broader horizons. It was during this time that Joseph's life took a pivotal turn. He became fascinated by the burgeoning New Thought movement, a spiritual philosophy that emphasized the mind's ability to influence reality through positive thinking and faith. His ideas didn't spring from abstract theory, but were forged through a blend of personal trials, rigorous study, and profound spiritual awakenings. In the 1930s, while still in New York, Joseph delved deeply into Eastern philosophies, including Hinduism and the teachings of Swami Vivekananda, which introduced him to the concept of the subconscious as a divine force. He also studied the Bible with fresh eyes, interpreting its stories not as historical events, but as metaphors for mental and spiritual laws. This led him to divine science, a New Thought denomination where he was ordained as a minister in 1941 after training under leaders like Emmett Fox. By 1949, he had moved to Los Angeles to lead the Divine Science Church, where he lectured to thousands, blending science, religion, and psychology in his talks. Joseph's own experiences with healing, both for himself and others, solidified his beliefs. He witnessed how shifting mental patterns could cure illnesses and resolve crises, drawing from his pharmacist background to see the mind as the ultimate healer. These encounters, combined with his influences from religious science founder Ernest Holmes and the universal principles he found in ancient texts, culminated in his seminal work, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, published in 1963. The book exploded in popularity, offering practical tools for everyday people, and he went on to write over 30 books, including The Miracle of Mind Dynamics and Think Yourself Rich, lecturing worldwide until his death on December 16, 1981, at age 83. At the core of Joseph Murphy's philosophy is the revolutionary idea that your subconscious mind is an infinitely powerful, impartial servant that shapes your entire life based on the thoughts and beliefs you feed it, much like a garden that grows whatever seeds you plant. He taught that the subconscious operates below the level of conscious awareness, controlling habits, health, wealth, and relationships through universal laws, such as the law of belief, which states that whatever you deeply believe with conviction becomes your reality. Drawing from both scientific insights and spiritual wisdom, Joseph explained that the conscious mind is the watchman at the gate, choosing what enters the subconscious, while the subconscious then manifests those impressions into the physical world. To achieve what you want in life, be it abundance, healing, success, or harmony, you must reprogram the subconscious by replacing negative, fear-based patterns with positive, faith-filled ones. He emphasized that miracles aren't supernatural events, but natural outcomes of aligning your mind with divine intelligence, often citing Bible verses like, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he," to illustrate how thoughts create destiny. Joseph's approach was empowering and accessible, promising that anyone, regardless of background, could tap into this inner power to overcome limitations, attract prosperity, and live a fulfilled life. His teachings prefigured modern concepts like the law of attraction, but grounded them in practical psychology, with real-life stories from his ministry showing how ordinary people achieved extraordinary results, from financial windfalls to miraculous recoveries, simply by changing their mental diet. Now that we've delved into who Joseph Murphy was, an Irish immigrant turned influential minister and author, how his ideas originated from his Catholic roots, pharmaceutical career, immersion in New Thought and Eastern philosophies, and personal healing experiences, and what his core philosophy is about harnessing the subconscious to align with universal laws for manifesting your desires, it's time to make it actionable. In the rest of this video, I'll explain his method in detail and show you precisely how to apply it step by step to achieve what you want in your life. This isn't theory, it's a systematic process that, when practiced consistently, can transform your reality. Let's dive in. First, grasp the foundational principle. Your subconscious mind is always working for you, but you must direct it intentionally. Joseph taught that the subconscious never sleeps and accepts whatever the conscious mind impresses upon it as true, so start by cultivating awareness of your thoughts. Begin each day with a simple acknowledgement: my subconscious mind is powerful and is now working to bring me what I desire. This mindset shift from doubt to faith is the starting point, reminding you that you're not at the mercy of circumstances, but the architect of your outcomes. Step 1. Identify and affirm your specific desire clearly and positively. Joseph stressed that vague wishes lead to vague results, so get precise about what you want without focusing on lacks or problems. Write it down in the present tense as if it's already happening. For example, instead of "I want to be healthy," affirm, "My body is now perfectly healthy and I am filled with vitality and energy." To apply this, spend a few minutes daily journaling your desire. Make it personal and emotional. Why do you want it? Feel the joy it brings. This plants a clear seed in your conscious mind, which you'll then feed to the subconscious. Step 2. Use affirmations to reprogram your subconscious with conviction. Affirmations are Joseph's cornerstone technique, positive statements repeated to overwrite limiting beliefs. He recommended crafting them based on your goal, drawing from his book where he provides examples like, for wealth, "Wealth is mine now. I am one with the infinite riches of my subconscious mind." Or for success, "Infinite intelligence leads and guides me in all my ways to my highest good." To apply this, say your affirmations out loud twice a day, once in the morning upon waking and once before sleep, when the subconscious is most receptive. Speak with feeling, as if it's true, and repeat them 10 to 20 times each session. Joseph advised personalizing them and believing in them fully. If doubt arises, counter it immediately with the affirmation. Over weeks, this builds neural pathways, turning affirmations into automatic beliefs that guide your actions and attract opportunities. Step 3. Practice visualization to impress images on your subconscious. Visualization, or what Joseph called mental movies, involves vividly imagining your desire as already fulfilled to engage the subconscious emotionally. Close your eyes in a quiet space for 5 to 10 minutes daily and picture the scene in detail. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the textures. If you're visualizing a promotion, imagine yourself in the new role, receiving praise, feeling confident and abundant. The key, per Joseph, is to do this with relaxed faith, not strain. Let it feel natural and joyful. To apply it, combine visualization with affirmations. As you imagine, silently or aloud, repeat, "This or something better is now manifesting in my life." Avoid visualizing negatives, as the subconscious can't distinguish between real and imagined, and it will manifest what you dwell on. Practice consistently, especially at bedtime, to let the images sink deep overnight. Step 4. cultivate faith and positive expectation through daily mental diets. Joseph emphasized that faith is the substance of things hoped for, so feed your mind only positive inputs. Surround yourself with uplifting books, people, and environments that reinforce your goals. Act as if your desire is on its way by making decisions from abundance, not fear. For instance, if affirming prosperity, give generously knowing more will come. To apply this, monitor your self-talk throughout the day. Whenever a negative thought surfaces, replace it with an affirmation. Joseph suggested using scientific prayer, a form of affirmative prayer where you state your desire to the infinite intelligence within, then release it without worry. This builds unshakable expectation, aligning your energy with universal laws to draw in the right circumstances. Step 5. Embrace gratitude and surrender to accelerate results. Gratitude amplifies the process, as Joseph taught that thanking your subconscious in